Hey everybody, today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're actually sitting outside of Costco right now. They have some amazing deals this month, and we are here for our monthly trip to Costco. And if you've been around our channel for a while, you know that if we don't grow it out of our yard, it's probably come from Costco. So I thought I'd bring you along with us as we go on a shopping trip to Costco and show you some of the things that are on sale, but also some of the things that we just pick up as staples every single month. So let's head on in and see what we find. Our kids absolutely love going to Costco. It takes us about an hour to get here, so it's kind of a big event to come to Costco. But they think it's pretty special because they get to get free samples and come home with lots of goodies and fun things to eat. One of the first things we saw when we got here were these thermoflask cups that are on sale. They were $12.99 for 2 of them. And we've been looking for some good cups that are leak-proof for the kids to have when we're traveling in the car. They like to bring their own water along. So because they were such a good deal, and Ethan and I have some thermoflask cups already, and they stay cold for forever, we decided to grab those for our older 2 kids. These Siete chips, we didn't grab them today, but these are delicious, and they're super, super clean ingredients. We got them a couple weeks ago when my sister and brother-in-law were here. We like to have game nights when they come to visit. So we grabbed some of these for our game night, and the kids absolutely love them, and they're just a really nice sweet treat. So if you're looking for more of a guilt-free sweet treat, these are a really nice option. Costco has great deals on their Kirkland brand cheeses. They have the Pecorino Romano and the Parmigiano Reggiano. Both of them are a super good deal compared to what you would pay in the grocery store. And we actually ended up grabbing 2 of these Parmigiano Reggianos. This is what I use to make pesto. And we are ready to be harvesting our basil and loading up our freezer with pesto. So I wanted to make sure I had enough cheese. This organic Dietz & Watson roasted turkey breast. We didn't get this today, but this is our #1 choice for when we go on road trips. We don't eat a lot of lunch meat at home, but often when we go on a road trip, we'll pack our own lunches, and this is one of the things that we like to pack. This is another thing that we did not get today. These often go on sale, these Teton Polish sausages. And when they go on sale, we do stock up and put them in the freezer. These are a great substitute for hot dogs, and they're a lot cleaner. They're 100% grass-fed beef, and the ingredients on these are absolutely as clean as a whistle. Usually when they go on sale, they're about $11, which is a pretty good deal. These are one of my favorite things to get in the winter when we don't have a lot of fresh vegetables coming in from the garden. They're just nice to have to eat with crackers or tortilla chips or to spread on a wrap. And again, they're super clean. Limes and lemons are a really good deal here as well. We like to keep a drawer full of lemons and limes in our refrigerator. That way we can drink lemon juice or have them to make different recipes. This Harmless Harvest coconut water, and also sometimes they just have the Kirkland brand coconut water that's in the cooler case. These are absolutely delicious. If you have not tried them, or if you've only ever tried the coconut water that's shelf stable, these have a completely different taste. They're so good and nutty. We didn't get these today, but when we want a special treat and have something refreshing to drink, these are one of my favorite things to get. We always grab mushrooms while we're here. This is an excellent price for mushrooms, and mushrooms are something that's supposed to be really good for breast cancer survivors. They're a natural aromatase inhibitor, so I try and make sure that I incorporate mushrooms into my diet as much as possible, if not every single day. It's the time of the year when it has gotten too hot for our spinach to be living in our garden anymore, so we're back to buying it from the grocery store when we want fresh spinach. And they have organic baby spinach here. It's a pretty good deal, and I like to have this when I make the kids tuna wraps or just even to saute down. If you're looking for a good price on organic carrots and celery, again, these prices can't be beat here. I've priced them out against the regular grocery store, and you get far more for a much better price here at Costco. We eat clean probably about 90% of the time, and then we have a few things that we get that just make life a little bit easier. I do like to make homemade tortilla shells whenever possible, but for this price, you can't beat this price, and these are nice to have on hand if you want a quick meal. If you like to get taco shells, these are an awesome deal. So these are a new product I've never seen before, so I can't vouch for what they taste like. And we didn't end up grabbing them because they were a little bit pricier than what we wanted to spend today. But we've gotten the regular freeze pops from this company before, and our kids absolutely love them. So I'm guessing these are probably pretty good as well. If you've had these before, let me know down in the comments below because I'd be interested to know how they taste. I'm thinking this is something that my kids would absolutely love. Costco has an amazing selection of frozen organic fruits. We aren't actually picking any up today. We have plenty of fruits and vegetables coming in from the garden right now. But we did use these organic blueberries a while back in my video where we were making the blueberry preserves. So this is where we got them from. They're a super good deal, and you really can't find organic fruit for a better deal than you can at Costco. Now these chicken tenders, they are not the cleanest thing ever, and we pretty much don't buy any chicken because we do raise our own meat chickens. But this is our one exception. Our kids are kids, and they do like to have some chicken nugget type things every once in a while. So these are kind of our little cheat meal. We get these for special occasions when we just don't want to make anything fancy and have some kid food in the house. Here's another cheap product that I like to get at Costco. We always get their shredded cheese. It just makes meal prep a little bit faster. And when we're making a lot of freezer meals, we use this cheese in abundance. Now, I know I just said we aren't going to get any frozen fruits or vegetables, but the corn is one exception. I don't actually grow any organic sweet corn. It's kind of difficult to keep the worms out of it when you're growing it organically, so it's pretty cheap here, and we're going to just pick some up. This organic Greek yogurt is a favorite in our house. It's $5.99 for this huge container. It's hard to tell in the shot, but compared to like a big container you would get at Walmart, this is much bigger and it's a lot cheaper. So we try to keep stocked up on this. We'll be bringing home about 3 of these today. We made some yogurt parfaits with this a while back in my summer breakfast video. I'll link that below. But pretty much my kids will just eat this with honey on, some preserves, chopped up fresh fruit, whatever. They love this yogurt, and it's a really good deal. Now, if you are a fan of Kerrygold butter, Costco has their own version of Kerrygold that is pretty much identical. It's a grass-fed butter, and it is so much cheaper. We have tried it before, and it is delicious. It's a nice dark yellow color, a lot darker than like just a regular butter. So if you are someone who likes Kerrygold butter, check and see if your Costco has the Kirkland brand because it is just as good, if not better, than the Kerrygold and for a much better price. All right, so we are fortunate enough to live in a state where we can have access to organic raw milk. But even so, when we come to Costco, we like to pick up this organic whole milk. There's 3 cartons of milk in here, and for the price, it can't be beat. So usually we'll bring home one of these as well. This Primal Kitchen mayo is what I like to get for mayonnaise. It's on sale this month, which makes it a really good deal. Whenever we see this on sale, I like to grab one. We don't use a lot of mayonnaise at home, but when we do, I want to use something that's nice and clean. These are the oats that we always have in our cupboard. We're not going to grab them today because, again, this is something that goes on sale regularly, and when we see it on sale, we will stock up. Usually when this goes on sale, it's about $6.99 a bag, and it is certified glyphosate free. They're sprouted, and they're old-fashioned rolled oats. Kirkland brand has a really nice organic creamy peanut butter. The ingredients are literally just peanut butter and sea salt. These I've never seen go on sale, so we just usually grab one every time we're here. If you like almond butter, the almond butter here is really good and you can't beat this price. We're not getting it today, but when we need almond butter, this is where I always get it. The pumpkin seeds are on sale this month. These are sprouted organic pumpkin seeds with just a touch of sea salt, and they are absolutely delicious. We use these for a lot of different things. I'll put them in granola. My kids like to just keep them in a snack bag as a snack in the car, and these are super good for you. This pasta is my absolute favorite pasta. We just use this in our 3 summer pastas video, and they have changed the shapes. They do that every couple months. They change what shapes they offer in the package. but this is nice, clean, organic pasta. And whenever I don't make pasta from scratch, this is what I use. It's on sale this month, so whenever it's on sale, we like to stock up and make sure that we always have a good supply of this in our cupboard for nice, easy meals. I always get my almond flour here at Costco. The Kirkland brand almond flour has a nice fine texture to it, so it's really nice for baking with. And compared to other almond flour brands, even compared to Walmart's brand of almond flour, this is a lot less expensive. And I use this all the time in my gluten-free waffles, which I can link that recipe down below. We've made that together before. The cinnamon is also a really good deal here. This is where I always get my cinnamon from, and we go through a lot of cinnamon. My kids love to put it on pretty much everything. Yogurt, fruit, oatmeal, waffles. The flour here is a really good deal. Whenever I make bread, this is the flour that I'm using. It's organic, unbleached, all-purpose flour, and it's a really nice quality. I actually price this out compared to a bulk Mennonite store that we have near us, and this price beat the bulk Mennonite store, which is saying something because they usually have pretty good prices. These Simple Mills Sweet Thins are so good. They taste just like a really yummy graham cracker. We don't get a lot of snack foods, but when these go on sale, we definitely grab a couple bags of these because they're just nice to have. The Chosen Foods avocado oil is one of my favorites for cooking with. I like to have this on hand in my cupboard at all times. I always have the Kirkland brand organic coconut oil in my cupboard. We didn't need this today, but it is a good price. And it's canning season, so most canning recipes you need to have this real lemon juice, so I grabbed that as well. If you're somebody who likes to use cooking sprays, this Chosen Foods avocado oil spray is literally just avocado oil. It's super clean. I like using this to spray down my bread pan or anytime that I need to spray a cookie sheet. I just like having this in the house. This ramen is what we just used in our 3 summer pastas video. I use this for our Thai peanut pasta salad, and it is a really good deal this month. It's on sale. So if you like to have ramen in the house, I would definitely stock up on this. It is organic brown rice ramen. These dates are a family favorite in our house. My husband and kids like to have them with a little bit of peanut butter. They use those for a sweet treat or for a little bit of a dessert after a dinner. So we just like to have those on hand. Again, these are something that go on sale on the regular. So when we see them on sale, we like to stock up. These organic sun-dried figs are on sale this month, which makes them a really good deal. These are another thing that we like to have when they're on sale. The kids think they're a great sweet treat. And it's just something a little bit different that we can have in the house for them to snack on. These organic fruit bars are also on sale this month. We don't get these very often, but sometimes when they're on sale, we'll get them for a special treat for the kiddos. This Wild Planet tuna is the kind of tuna that I like to keep in the cupboard. My son and I both enjoy tuna fish sandwiches. And we aren't going to buy this today, but it is, again, something that goes on sale regularly. So when it is on sale, we will stock up. It's a nice, clean tuna fish, and it's sustainably caught, and it's just a really nice brand. I like to get this tuna. These Annie's mac and cheese are a lot cleaner than the other variety of mac and cheese that's sold in the store. We don't get it often, but since it's on sale, I thought it would be nice to have some in the cupboard for the kids on days when I don't feel like making something for lunch. It's a pretty good price on the organic tomato sauce here. I like to keep tomato sauce on our shelf. That way, if we need it, it's there. I also can tomato sauce, but since we're just coming into tomato season right now, I don't have any tomato sauce left from last year, and I don't have enough tomatoes yet to be canning it for this year, so we're kind of in a weird time, so we'll just pick up one of these as well. All right, so we are all done with our Costco trip and ready to unload the car. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of our favorite Costco finds and some of the great sales that they're running this month. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Costco finds are, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.